Hey folks, I've had a question on my YouTube channel asking how to export Pantone spot colors to PDF and make sure they remain as spot colors and don't change to CMYK. So let's do just that. So we're in Adobe Illustrator, and in my document I have 4 CMYK colors and I have 2 Pantone spot colors. Now, to just double check that these are indeed a mix of CMYK and Pantone spot, if you look at your swatches panel, you will see here I've got my CMYK colors. In the Pantone spot colors, there is a little white triangle in the bottom right corner with a little dot inside of it. That signifies that these are spot colors, but just to double check, you can click on each spot color and go over to your color palette, and you'll see here it has a little icon again. This time it's a little square with a spot or a dot in the middle, and if you hover it tells you that it's a spot color. So you need to make sure that your Pantone spot colors are indeed showing as Pantone spots. Then all you do is you just go File, Save As, and then just give it a name. I want to save it as a PDF, so I'm going to click Save. Then it will come up with your options. You want to choose one of the PDFX formats. Just double check with your printer which one they would prefer. I normally go with X1A 2001. It has the most compatibility. And then I'm going to click Save PDF. So here's the PDF which I've opened in Adobe Acrobat. Now we want to check that the spot colors are there. So what you want to do is over on the right hand menu here. If you can't see it, it's probably because it's completely closed up. So just click on the little arrow, bring it open, click on More Tools, and then you want to go down to Protect and Standardize and choose Print Production. And when you open Print Production, you get this menu here on the right, and you want to click on Ink Manager. It will show you what colors you have in your PDF. And we can see here that I've got my cyan, magenta, yellow and black showing as CMYK with this icon here with the 4 triangles, and then below those I've got my Pantone 200 and Pantone 660 both showing with this icon here as spot colors. And so there you have it, saving Pantone spot colors with CMYK colors inside a PDF document. If you want to see more videos on color, you can check them out here on my channel. Until I see you next time, stay creative, folks.